Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing how to stop your last account. So first thing you want to do is going to go LastFM and make account already, set up here your account, and what you are going to do is just go to Scrobbling and you're going to log your account, Spotify account, and then you want to do guys into any chat and type space accept and then username, and you have it. You can just do comma and you will show the last song you played. And this is guys how you can stop LastFM Scrobbling with the Discord. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and see you on another video soon. Thanks.